Wow, what are we doing?
Oh, hey, Red.
What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm just putting color up.
Yeah, if you're not gonna like it.
Is it a band?
No.
Is it a Peace and Quiet Club? Is it a Clown Club?
Nope.
What is this?
Well, you're not gonna like this.
Make the Scrappy Engine.
Pig.
Yeah, it's me, with the Scrappy Pig. You wanna grapple the engine? What do you do? Come on, grab the engine.
Or not.
Ah! I know you don't like it. You're gonna scrap all of us.
Yeah. I have an idea.
What is it, Billy?
We can go to Donkey Island.
Donkey Island.
Yeah. That way.
Okay.
I'm sitting next to Murdoch the fly. I'm sitting next to Billy.
Alright, are you ready?
Let's go.
Where's my train?
The firelight.
What? I need to grab my trains and...
Yeah, a movie. Alright, what do you do over there, Murdoch?
I don't know.
Oh, what was that?
Nothing? Oh no. What? The captain!
Captain, what are you doing? I don't know, I'm running out of power. Billy, can you fly? No, I never have enough time.
Don't worry, me and Tentro, we got it.
Come on, Tentro.
Alright, Gala, ready? Let's mix.
Hmm?
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Whoa! Mix.
Well, stop it. Fine. We go out. Billy, you have to fly it. I don't remember that time.
No! It's a video game.
Wait, really?
I didn't crash? No, Billy.
Go and try it. Okay.
I'm gonna get my train. I'm gonna get the train to grab it, to damn it, stuck.
Oh, we're back. You gonna go Donkey Island next time?
No! Oh boy! Boots!
Yeah, I'm going to the Wizard of Oz. Yay!